Class 10th CBSE Chapter 1 Real Numbers. Topic is Euclid division algorithm. First of all, we will see what is the difference between an algorithm and a lemma. So an algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. So that means it is a well-defined steps to find out solution of any problem, while a lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. So this was the little difference between algorithm and lemma. Now we will see what is Euclid's division algorithm and where it is used. So Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute the highest common factor, that is HCF, of two given positive integers. So that means Euclid division algorithm is a technique that is used to find out highest common factor of two given positive integers. Now we will see that to obtain the HCF of two positive integers, say C and D, where C is greater than D, we will follow the steps below. Step 1. Apply Euclid division lemma to C and D. So we find whole numbers Q and R such that C is equal to dq plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0 and less than D. Now step 2. If R is equal to 0, then D is the HCF of C and D. And if R is not equal to 0, apply the division lemma to D and R. Until and unless we are not getting a 0, we have to apply the division lemma. Now step 3. Continue the process till the remainder is 0. The divisor at this stage will be the required HCF. Okay, so now we will take one example to clarify what the definition says. Okay, so we will take one example. Suppose we need to find HCF of two positive integers, that is 4, 55 and 42. We will take the larger integer as dividend and the smaller as divisor. Then we use Euclid lemma. So 455 is equal to 42. 455 is the dividend and 42 is the divisor. So we can see in the rough work that when 455 is divided by 42, so we can multiply 42 with 10 to get 420, and the remainder will be 35. If we will multiply 42 with 11, then the number will be larger than 455, and that is not possible to subtract. So we will multiply 42 with 10 and the remainder will be 35. Now since our remainder is not 0, so we will continue the process. Now we will consider 42 as the dividend and our remainder 35 as divisor. So now 35 we have to multiply it with 1 only, otherwise it will be having a larger value. So what we will get, remainder as 7. So 35 into 1 we will get remainder as 0. So now again we have to continue the process with the next step, that is having 35 as dividend and 7 as divisor. So now 7 into 5, we can clearly see that 7 into 5 we will get 35 and the remainder will be 0. So 7 into 5 we will get remainder 0. So this was the last step because we got 0 in the remainder. So we cannot proceed any further. So we can say that HCF of 455 and 42 is 7. The last divisor in the step where we get remainder 0. So the last divisor will be the HCF. So this was Euclid division algorithm. Now your homework is that you have to use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 4052 and 12,576. So this question you have to do in your homework. Thank you.